Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of dAPPer, Gents. And today we are going to talk about renting a Model 3 Tesla from Hertz. Long story short, I had to go pick up a dog that we purchased. It's 330 miles away from my house.
Shoo.
Was thinking about renting a car.
And why not try a Tesla?
And there are no Tesla chargers in my city,
And the closest one is the one that we went to.
in Lexington, which
Wow.
is 20 minutes from my house. Overall, the experience was awesome. You know, I got to basically see how luxury feels, for
Right.
330 miles one way. Grabbed the dog, turned around, and drove 330 miles back in the same day. We went through Atlanta, which was, oh my God, the traffic was insane. For somebody like me, I don't ever drive in traffic, and bumper to bumper traffic for 4 hours is... Honestly, I had never done that. I ended up paying $188 to rent the car. That included unlimited miles with the insurance, which the insurance was $71. To rent the car was $52 for 2 days. So that's $104. So total $188 after tax. I kind of kept up with my expenses when I went to the supercharger and charged up. So I did at the beginning of my trip Friday morning. We went and charged up to about 85%. So that took about 30 minutes, cost $10. The second time we went, it's just kind of like an intermediate, just, stop in. I think I went from 50 to 80. I didn't know that Tesla chargers were in parking decks. So I kind of missed one and had to travel 30 minutes out of my way.
Oof.
So plan before you go is definitely...
Yeah.
So once we got there, we grabbed the dog and just, did our bathroom breaks and stuff, and then got back in, traveled down the road a little bit, and did find another parking deck that had a charger, supercharger. It was 35 minutes this time. I think we were down to like the 28 battery left. But this was in a parking deck. You could park there for 30 minutes for free, or pay for, anytime after 30 minutes to an hour, you have to pay $4. So I had to pay $4 because it took me longer than 30 minutes to charge. Then my fourth stop was for 22 minutes, and that got me home. But it was the fastest charge, but the most expensive. So total miles, I went 661. Total charge time, just sitting idle charging, was an hour and 43 minutes. I spent a total of $47 charges here, plus the $4 parking fee. So my total transit time was 14 hours. It was like 13 hours and 51 minutes. It's actually a 5-hour trip if there's no traffic one way. So I did the calculations down here. I have a 2013 and just a regular 4-door sedan, and it gets on the highway, first fill up would have been $39.60. I think that's at gas at like $3.30 or something.
Okay.
So the total cost in gas would have cost me $80. Total fill up time would be 10 minutes compared to an hour and 43. Total miles 661, and my transit time, if I would have drove gas car, would have been 12 and a half.
Wow.
So in conclusion, I feel that a Tesla or any other electric car is more of a around town vehicle.
Definitely. It's not a distance thing.